Have you ever been told there's no real treatment for tinnitus, that you just have to learn to live with that ringing in your ears forever? I'm here to tell you that's simply not true. Stay with me because today I'm diving into the latest science-backed treatments that help you finally take your life back from tinnitus. Tinnitus can take over your life, stealing your focus, your sleep, and even your peace of mind. But today, I'm here to tell you it doesn't have to. Hi, I'm Dr. Garrett, founder of Timpanogos Hearing and Tinnitus, where for over 20 years we've been helping people find real relief from tinnitus. And I'm proud to share that we're one of the first 15 modern tinnitus specialty centers in the United States. More than 50 million Americans experience tinnitus, and if you're one of them, I want you to know your experience is unique. Tinnitus doesn't show up the same way for everyone, and that means your treatment should not be a one-size-fits-all kind of thing. At Timpanogos Hearing and Tinnitus, we believe in a personalized, research-backed approach to care designed specifically for you. Tinnitus is complex. It is influenced by your hearing health, your sleep quality, your stress levels, your physical movement, and even your emotional and mental health. That's why we take a deep look at all of these areas to get a clear picture of what might be fueling your symptoms. Once we understand the full story behind your tinnitus, we will design a custom treatment plan using the latest evidence-based solutions. This might include addressing an underlying hearing loss, using sound therapy or cognitive behavioral therapy, tinnitus retraining therapy, or advanced technologies like bimodal neuromodulation with Lenire. Every part of your plan is selected because it has been proven to help, and because it matches your specific needs. At Timpanogos Hearing and Tinnitus, we are extremely careful about the treatments we recommend. We do not offer unproven or gimmicky therapies. You won't find us selling miracle cures or vitamin supplements claiming to erase tinnitus, magnetic headbands, or other unverified internet fads. We only offer treatments backed by solid scientific research, clinical evidence, and FDA approval, because when it comes to your health, you deserve real answers and real solutions, not empty promises. And creating the right plan is just the beginning. Everyone responds to tinnitus treatment a little differently. So that's why, as a modern tinnitus specialty center, we take things even further. We incorporate breakthrough biometric tracking technology using devices like an Apple Watch or a Fitbit to monitor how your body is actually responding to therapy. This includes real-time monitoring of important health markers like heart rate variability, sleep patterns, activity levels, and stress responses. That data is then analyzed through the proprietary Modern Tinnitus Basecamp that gives us an objective view of how well your treatment is working. This allows us to fine-tune your care at every step, adjusting strategies, enhancing the therapies that help most, and making sure we're moving forward towards real, lasting relief. Because ultimately, our goal is simple: to help you achieve the maximum amount of tinnitus relief possible. If you found this information helpful, please give this video a thumbs up. Maybe share it with someone who might need it. And if you want more tips about tinnitus treatment and hearing health, make sure you subscribe to our channel. We post new videos regularly to help you take control of your hearing health care. So if you're ready to start the next step and experience the future of tinnitus care, you can schedule a visit with us at Timpanogos Hearing and Tinnitus. A link to our website can be found in the show notes below. We would be honored to help you take your life back from tinnitus.